Hi, my name is David Zimmer, and I'm a head and neck surgeon with UofL Health. I grew up in a veterinary household. My mother's a nurse, my dad's a veterinarian, and I always thought I wanted to be a veterinarian. I actually went to veterinary school, and I was about midway through veterinary school when I took an international trip. And overseas, I was able to work with people, and I found this intense love for working with and taking care of people. So when I came back to the United States. I started shadowing some human doctors and a couple of surgeons, and I found really what's my true calling, and that's how I ended up in this field. My main role as a provider is I'm a head and neck surgical oncologist, and really what that means is I operate on benign and malignant processes or cancerous processes of the head and neck, and really I help guide people through their cancer treatment of the head and neck. And so it's not only surgery, but I help people in their decision-making processes as well. My approach to patient care is centered around patient decision-making. I actually had the opportunity, an unfortunate opportunity, but an important one, where I had a very close loved one who passed away from cancer, and being on the other side of the table, I got to understand what it's like to be in those offices when decisions need to be made. And so as a cancer provider myself, I like to have those discussions and help patients to come to the decision that they need to do for treatment for themselves. So I think one of the things that makes me unique as a provider is that I've lived through this process before, in having a loved one who passed away from cancer. I can understand what it's like to be on both sides of that story. I also have an incredible team of support staff and young and gifted surgeons who I get to work with on a day-to-day basis, and really this is a very incredible group that gets to take care of wonderful people here. What I love to do when I'm not at work is I love to be outdoors, whether that's running, biking, camping, hiking. I've got a 2-year-old at home and a 3-month-old, so they keep us very busy, and a wonderful wife as well. And you know, we're from northern Indiana, and so we're big fans of Notre Dame football, and also fans of the Chicago Cubs. So I love sporting events, college football, and love spending time, eating and enjoying the area with my family.